Yes.
that I didn't film him. H.A. Wait, you damn fool. Are you standing there with them like that? Hello, brothers, and welcome back to a new episode at Casuța din Pădure.
That's it!
That's it. That's it. Cornell, did you see what I did here yesterday?
Team, did you see what?
I poured it. I can't take it anymore. It hurts. Where are you, man? I poured it here. I made the formwork. Do you like it? Tell me if you like it. Do you like it?
I saw it on camera without even looking. I saw it live.
Look, man. Oh, all salt, all raw. It's not good at all. Look, one of them is raw.
It's raw. Come on, move it aside like that, because if we leave it like this, it'll rust. It's raw.
But don't you see? If it cracks badly. Ugly. You'll see. Throw it nicely.
Do we leave the rabbit cage there too? Yes, both.
Which one?
This one. Yes, but it doesn't matter like that. Could we maybe let's put... There?
In the corner?
To put it in the corner? In the nook?
We should cut that nook from there and level it over there and make the base there in the corner, but I didn't know if I could take it with an excavator. It's the excavator from the tree. Sometimes if I take it, I pull it uphill.
Which one? This one?
Yes.
No, but it goes in the corner, not in.
No, man, from the sink, from the tree.
You take it there, lift and pull it back, then put it next to the scythe here.
But he doesn't have the strength to lift it, because if it gets stuck on those, he doesn't have the strength to take it, man.
But where do you want to put it? But leave it there. That's right. That's how it should be.
Where does it go in?
Up to a gate, take it to the gate and go in there. Look, we'll do it here. We'll start from here. We'll do it like this from the gate. We'll do it like this, you know? Look.
We'll start from here. We'll do it like this, you know?
Throw the skin right here today.
Here?
Here, facing the slime.
I'm not sure, but this one's stuck in the ground.
You don't do it like that, no.
No. From here to there?
It doesn't fit.
Where will you put it since you have it like this? Go get the tape measure you bought. 1 meter.
1
meter, yes, it fits.
Happy.
It definitely fits, yes. We'll take everything, including the excavator, and lift it together since there are 4 of us.
Hey, that guy is here, and hey!
This one, me. Only me and Cornell threw it over the fence. Wow.
Go!
Don't you remember I didn't throw it over the fence?
But when he was young, right?
I threw it over the fence for you.
Back then, you were stronger and had more power. You almost died. Now you almost...
You almost died, now you almost... Buzăli. Buzăli, buzăli.
Stay strong.
Isn't it now?
Now me too.
How?
You hear and you lead the people, man. You hear and you lead the people. Listen, shut your mouth because you're away more than you're here.
When you come, do you give orders?
Who are all these people?
Lolo.
Lolo?
Yes.
And at the station, it's Lolo.
But look, Lolo said it here.
You came!
About growth. I'm not staying now in...
What is? Look, otherwise you need to come by and draw on the walls too. You're a painter. Hey, but I did exactly this. Hey! You did!
He has 30 years as a painter.
60 years in this field. Agriculture, painter, and architect.
Ha ha ha!
Architect?
Architect.
Arhitectul?
That's it!
La cât o leși?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. That's far enough. And what do you want to do with the frame? Let's do it.
Okay. Do you cut from there?
Yes. What was it once?
That's right, in the middle.
Down! It was measured from down here so we can set it up to run the mesh down along this, you know?
So we don't cut it, because if we cut it, then it will be left like that. And you lose its strength at the bottom. Then it's all messed up and you have to fix it again.
But who...
Did it next? Because I want to put it in with the mesh to set it in the concrete.
That's what we talked about, and you still did it like that.
How am I supposed to arrange it? Who should I put it with?
Yeah, they were already in Molly's head, beaten up.
If you hadn't said anything, you would have told Chelazesk you poured that, and that's what you have. I wanted you to put the mesh.
That would have been good.
Well, yeah, I told him.
I called him and told him to call until he gets through to Mali.
Well, the calls were all going to Mali.
When they showed him calls were already going to Mali. I take one and cut the net for the kids, since the call is already at the shore.
That's what I wanted to do. To put the mesh on it and set it in the concrete.
But Arnica, that's how it is now. It stays this way, you know.
Came out like this.
It came out tied.
Coming.
The net on.
Next to him, next to the concrete, outside. So you have a reference. If you put it from the concrete isn't straight. On one side, a bit higher like this, so you can maneuver it to bring it down.
Go and get them ready so we can weld. Wait, look at this guy too.
Hey, I need to go to the machine.
The machine is in the car, man.
In the car?
I don't know. Which one is it? In the car?
Yes.
And where do we get it from? Where do we get it from?
Yes, go and get it from there too.
How could he not take it?
Well, look, you have the extension cord in the house, the roller, you spread it nicely from there, or take it. Well, take it to the yard, it's always better. So? In my head, that's how I made it.
We're testing the panels to check if they work. Or maybe it doesn't work? Do you know why they're called kalzasht?
I don't know.
I know.
Go ahead. I'm going to yell here, hey!
No, yes, here. Here is good, right?
Go ahead.
I am God. Go ahead.
I am God, I'm telling you.
Go ahead. You know.
Maybe we'll need it.
At some point, yes.
It seems so, and be careful.
No, they didn't do the valves, but you weren't on call. Ah, nice, but not now. We have work to do now. Yes, I'm going to take the water there.
What?
Are you crazy? What?
Oh man, what?
Buko, come here.
Me too. Yes. Hey, did you see? Hey, Leah.
Man, look at those cleats.
Yeah. I told you, that was the fox around 3:15 or 4:15.
But what was it doing?
It was prowling around. It was on the saddle. The people who checked the camera sent it to me. Pay attention, at 4:15. It was look, here it was.
That's how it keeps stalking them.
What? To eat the chickens?
There's no way he could come from over there.
No way.
Can we stay out of it?
Come on, but she has to chew on the edges.
Give me one.
She hasn't come yet because I haven't seen her. Now they're starting to come.
Ibon?
Good. I am.
Here, I feel this.
Come on, guys, did you weld it or not?
I did it!
It's not stuck now. Come on, you know. Let's have everything in the package.
Dane, on the ternary.
I didn't make it. Bad.
It's bad.
It's bad, is it? Another one.
No. If you can't, just leave it there because the dirt will cover it anyway.
Hey, hey, hey. Leave the board there. The dirt will come over it.
The dirt will come over it. Leave it there.
Leave it there. The dirt is coming over it. Come on.
Stop dragging your feet, man. It's bad.
Leave it. The dirt's covering it. Leave it, man.
Because it'll come out. Can't you hear? Look, it came out. We'll make a fried potato in a pan with it. A drumstick or something.
And it's both well taken care of and stays put.
Well, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Isn't it? Come on, you gave your time over there, man. Come on, man.
But didn't I carry this metal too? Me?
Why are you doing that? Then the iron, buddy.
Me?
Wow, nice. Hey, hey.
What's wrong? It's me, Door.
Hey, listen to this guy, tripod.
Hey, listen, tripod.
Did you think you just showed up, man? Yeah.
I thought so.
That it's a shovel? It's over there by Valley. But you have to, man. Man, that's it. This one goes underground too, dude. You have to press it down into the ground.
What's next?
Just drive the bulldozer through the sand. Here you go, Mr. Foreman. Here you are.
Are you putting it? Well, I can't because I have to stay like this to watch.
Huh?
Shovel!
That way. Here you go. I don't think it went from one end to the other. Yes.
The hotel staff should scratch me.
What do you say, Valley? Yes.
Yeah, man. It needs to be cut. What should we do?
What should I cut?
This.
Put the bucket on her head, man.
Ah.
Are you okay? Come on, get up. Stand up already. Stand up already.
Stay like that.
Don't sit down. No. Don't. It's the door. No. No, like that. It started. You have... Wait like that.
Look.
What's wrong? Look.
There are problems here with the infrastructure. It's not working. There are problems here. They gave that one.
Done?
Hey guys.
Is the machine working?
Atu. Связь.
Like that. So, pupuya, yes? Huh? Did it break?
Next.
Hey, no, come on, don't do stuff like that. I'll hit you with this stick.
Hey, for what, hey.
And loud so I can hear. Should I go?
You go!
Go, see the people, let the wind carry you.
But I know.
Maybe they, with their strength with him, need to pull the arm back my way.
Man, but I'm scared.
If I can't, just do it like this, with the attachment. Look, man, it's so full.
Oh my goodness. I'll go bring some soil here, you'll see. Oh my goodness. I'm going out.
We'll see.
I have...
Ship.
Nino. Woo, I have... Hey, you know that about her. He is... But he doesn't pull at all. Aga, tell me during the day. I put it in 4th gear.
I'm going out, let's see.
Ooh.
Look, he's supporting them. I'm going out, even if he scolds you. This tall chair. They have an evening on the ground. Nino. Whoa, that's a cow. He looked from the side, right? He looked from the side. He looked to the side. Even though you are made of water. Like that. He looked kind of dull. Like that, like that, like that, like that. Like that. Harder. Good job. Is it full, or should I do it again? It's full. It's good. Is it really good? It's full, huh? You claim there's no water, but there's plenty here. I have a sample. I think I'll come back once more to fill it. Yes, I couldn't do it there because... I'll take it from here. Let's see if she looked. Her. Mom. Her. Wow, she really stared. Oh my. Watch him look at me, then her. Watch, he'll cry now because I left instead of him. But I don't know how to get him there.
Just like that time when he forgot.
Huh?
Look, he grabbed a water. With which one?
At...
A little farther ahead. Hear the low one on the right?
See, over there, a man with a stronger voice can hear it. But I'll try to give it a shot, but I don't believe in it. No.
I'll bring you that much.
I'll dump it here. Take it, man. Take it to the wheelbarrow. I can't dump it there. Look.
But dump it back there, or dump it on that side.
But you dump it, you don't know?
Which one is back there?
I'll dump it however you say.
Why?
I don't know.
I try a lot with the shovel, with the wheelbarrow.
And where are you dumping it over there? Let me try then. Let me try a bit. Let's see if I can. But I don't know if I can. Come on, I'll go with you too, all right? Look, but if I do this, I'll come in. Come on, Costi, go in. I see that this is moving. All right, it doesn't really have anywhere to go after all. Hey, don't tighten the foundations, hey? You can come just as you are. What do you want him to do? He wants to, yes, to have weight. Let's see you do that. To have balance during the day. Come on, balance it, dickhead. Oh, balance it, dickhead. You're going to go like that. Come on, do it. No, if I lift it up, it's... Hey, just leave it. There's no point. They'll lift it up. If not, it'll go into... Come on, do it, man. Don't back out. Do it, man. Come on, come on, come on. Take it, take it. Tip it over from there. Lift it up now. Tip it over and lift it. Tip it over and lift it. Tip it over. Tip it over. Come on, do it, do it, do it, do it. Done. Yes? He's always eaten like that since he was little. I'm recording him, just in case. Yeah, man. That's his business, man. His business. Nice. Good for him. Where am I going?
No, they'll take him, man. The guys will take him if he thinks about it. Go with him and bring another one. Go with him and bring another one.
Yours.
Is he?
Is this with her, Kostika?
My machine.
Yeah, with her? The one from home. Oh, your device and cables or what?
My cables.
With Kosti.
Oh.
Look, man, even the worms are eating it. Man, we should have left some for Cornell.
Oh, boys!
You should have left it to them. Nice and easy, sir. Will you put up another one? Yes?
You put another one up for me?
Oh my goodness.
Go to the other side!
Up or down? Hey, hey!
Yeah, we're leaving here like this, head first. You keep flaking, so I'll leave the gate for you. Tie them up properly.
Up, 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 up.
Give the signal at the crossing. Up!
Up. Up, up, up.
Got sleepy?
No, no, yes. No. Stop here.
If I had to make a cut here, here you go. Don't look here, you'll get scared.
Just don't worry about it.
Yes.
Because I didn't film him. Ha 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 ha. Whoa. Whoa, you damn fool. You hang out with them, huh? You, them,
Huh? Huh? You hang out with them, huh?
you. Just so you know, it's not good.
Don't go, man!
That's enough, stop. You're going to fall over. Fall over.
You need to take it, man. Welcome.
Like that, like that, like that, like that. Is it good?
Like that?
Here, like that.
Mom.
They wrote overturns, so I know it's not good. That's it. Move it back, away from you.
No!
Caught face with arms.
No, but maybe it can go back. See, it doesn't.
It doesn't go back.
Hey, try it.
The arms don't work. They do work.
You're making a hole there, just so you know. That's not good. You're making a hole. Come see what a hole you're making. Oh.
Oh, yo.
See, you're doing it. It's pulling on the cabin. It's pulling.
But the cabin.
I need to get the footage from the camera. That's what they did.
Let's hurry and get out of here after what we've done.
I'm clenching my ass, if not from... Where are you pulling from? You're making a mess. Hey, he's hitting the ball. Or is it not working? Hey! Damn it, damn it!
Whoa.
Whoa, the arm. Keep the arm raised, man, because... Pull it back in. Give him a punch in. Hit him in the balls.
Hit him in the balls.
That one, the priest, man.
If he takes him to the shed there.
The shed. The shed.
Yes, wait and let him get into the shed. Come on, I'm going, because... I'm going kind of from yesterday. Let him do it like that, you see? How can you leave the bucket up high while going downhill? To make it swing, you have to lower it. As low as possible. Wow, she knows, Minnie. Let's see what you say now. Let's see.
Check him, see? He has spurs? Yes.
Go and check him yourself.
If he comes at me, I'll check him. Wait, yes.
Aren't you saying anything? I know it. He approaches me like nothing happened, you know? Yeah? Did he say to put them up or down?
We need to get that on video once.
Yes.
50 people.
I don't know, 50.
Did they see?
Let's see what people are saying. If there was anyone else, they've all left, I think. They're all laughing here. Look at that. Look at that. See how calm they are. Come on, you break it.
You're not holding me right.
Did you hold on?
Don't take me!
Say it. Say it together with if. It's soft.
It's soft.
Soft, soft. Oh no.
How soft it is! I'm not getting on!
Look at those heads.
You shoved them right up your eye!
Here, hold your hand like this.
Why did you try to run? Shouldn't you have stayed in the tractor?
Because when you stay in...
On the edge. Well, it almost took you to one side. That's what happened.
But look. If we don't catch it with the mesh down, hey!
Straight and true. Are you going to pour cement so people know everything is done right?
Hey, I put the mixture in the bucket!
Everything should be done right.
Come on. Hold it. Hold this.
What did you do with this opinion?
It's not like you don't know.
Nice opinion. Yeah, look.
Bring it to me!
Bring it to me. Move it. Come on, bring it to me.
Bring it here! I can't catch it any other way, damn it!
No need anymore. No need anymore. You'll see right here. Take it a bit higher. Here. That's it. Put it there. Damn it.
Hey, of course, when you want to, you never have the camera in hand.
Hey, when I saw him, that was it. That way we see him down there.
But I didn't know how to let go of the camera.
But you didn't catch it, man. No, you caught it, man. Let me hold the camera. You already took it. Give it straight to Tiberiu.
Where is he? Is he just filming 24 times?
Are you the one editing?
Are you the one editing? Give me one here so I don't have to hold it in my hand anymore.
In my hand. Take another piece. I already cut it. It's up there. Where's this kid? The end always has one. It's moving here. Exactly right.
Isn't it? Exactly right.
Thank you for watching. He doesn't need leadership. That guidance was a disaster.
If I weren't here, he wouldn't even put any rebar in.
That guidance was a disaster.
Even the rebar doesn't want to go into it.
Look at that!
I'm telling you the truth. He started putting it from there, but he didn't put a single piece of iron.
Well, that's the problem again. It's crooked.
But it's true. If you do something, you do it properly.
Turn off the camera and I'll go with them. I heard something. People mentioned it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. From here, look from there, see? And what are you doing here? From there, we take a piece and we do it like this. Well, with the net...
You bring the net up to here, man.
Put the fucking thing here! Take this too. We'll cut some more off the gate. You make the corner with this one, like this, right? You have to shoot at the goal like this 24/7.
Here, give it to me. I'll hold it.
Cornell, yes? Let me give you 24. I'll tack it from the gate first. Come on, let me put 24 welds on it. We need to put a piece of wood or something there so it's a bit lower. Look, I'm holding the corner. Look. He's hungry. Forget about hunger.
Aren't you hungry? Look, this boy is hungry too.
And this one's hungry too? Look.
Look, he's hungry. He's been shoveling here since this morning. Are you hungry, Kostica?
Look, hold on a second.
Move it a bit like this.
That's good. Move it over there. Look. That's it. Take it down. She makes me cook. And I tell the people.
If you give me a hand, I'll give you something to eat.
What's wrong? Why so quiet?
I don't know. Hey,
Give him the welding rod. Good job.
let them cook when they're hungry. I can't take it. It's 12 o'clock today, too.
If you stop cooking, you aren't doing any work for them. If you don't cook, you do nothing now. If I hit you, you'll be out cold.
Turn off the camera. Turn off the camera.
I turned it off. Done.
Wait, that's not me.
I'm about to hit you from there. I'll shove it all in your mouth.
Give him something to eat. Yeah.
Bring food. God, let me do the work too, God.
They were taken by Aga.
I have work to do. I need to make the base here so we can see about the shed.
Which base?
The base for...
You clean while I handle the base.
Ladies, it's my birthday.
Welcome.
Where the?
Oh,
But what if he's not hungry?
he's not hungry.
He's not hungry. Don't forget to look, man. And damn it, he's not hungry. I can't take it anymore. What are you doing? Making a coffee, or what are you doing?
He's not hungry.
Huh?
Come on, make something to eat.
Hey, leave her alone. Let her handle the food and the base.
But why did you come here?
So you won't...
Make something to eat. Wait, so why did you come here and now you left?
So I won't see her face ever again.
Tell her to make something to eat. I can't do it anymore.
Again with the pear, again with the pear.
Again with the pear.
Tá bravo.
Again. Again.
Again.
Again with the pear, again with the pear, again with the pear.
No, the first one, the second one.
Again. Again. Now jump off the horse. Don't jump anymore. Let them go.
They're just hungry.
They're just hungry.
But what if you get those stubborn ones?
They're just hungry.
They're just hungry.
Look at the little ones. What cute little devils you are.
But we're hungry. Make us something to eat. Tell her to make food too. You don't want to. Look, he's got the devil on him.
I'm going to go.
They're just hungry.
Look, I'm going.
Look at him, damn it.
Look.
I'm going to go.
Look, damn it. There he is.
I'm going to go.
Look,
He's got the devil in him.
just hit him. Just hit him out of hunger.
Well, stop.
Well, give him 12 seasol. Oh, it's one. It's one seasol. 1 minute we're working, the next we're eating.
Awesome. Well, stop.
Should I smell you?
Why do I have this too?
Should I bring you a piece of sausage? I have a piece over there.
No, let's not eat sausage.
Well, stop it.
Well, stop it.
I want a piece of sausage. Oh. Oh, if not, if a, hey, now you're in trouble with the people. Now you're in trouble with people.
Let me go with a piece from home with my own invitation, man. It's better this way, up to here, at...
I'm giving this boy a piece of sausage.
Why are you doing that, Radiale?
How come, Radiale?
Don't cook food here, man.
But until you cook the food... What do you mean you're not cooking? Wait, I'll give you the bread too. Look at her.
Why are you doing it like that, Radiale?
Don't do that. Be careful.
Up to here, be careful.
Are you doing that, Radio?
Like this?
To the fence. Not like that. Stop here at the fence.
Don't do that up to here. Do it like this, up to here. Up to here. Do it like this, up to here.
Watch out. Don't do it like that.
Up to here, watch out.
Don't do it like that.
Come here, what's his name?
Radu.
Radu,
Leave you.
come here. I'll cut you a piece of tomato here since it'll take a while for Cornell to make the food. Yes, I'll cut you a tomato too.
I'm hungry, man. Cornell, come on, man. Finish it already, for God's sake, on this app.
Why are you calling them deer? Ah,
Well, yeah.
let them watch. Aha, look, now that helped me. If you don't cook, look, I'll drive you crazy all day, just like this. All day long, Cornell. I'm hungry. The priest can hear.
Man, they made this app. They made this app. I'm talking about a memory. It's cute because here it's deer. Who got steamed up here? How come, man, you...
Man. What did they do?
They made this app, Cornell. I'm hungry, man. Like...
Listen, so that everyone can hear, and get on your app, so people get on your app to see what I do all day? Yes.
I'm going to put a camera in the bathroom too. Yes. Yes. That's it. I'll put a camera in the forest. You'll see. I need about 23 more people to subscribe so I can have the money.
Take your keyboard from your forest too.
To earn money daily, I'll install cameras everywhere, even in the forest.
Ha!
And I'd do the same in your house.
People eat with crooked mouths because I'll come and break your computer. I'll put one in the bedroom and one in the bathroom. Bedroom? If I take it to the water again, I'll bring it to you.
Take the camera!
Don't you really want to make something to eat? I only ate a piece of...
Roshi.
You really don't want to do it? Take some too, Kostika.
I ate a piece of tomato.
Fabio!
I can't do it anymore.
We're not doing this anymore. We'll just cook and sleep.
But we have the boy here helping us. He doesn't even eat like him. Ought. So you can give...
Let them go.
like I did yesterday, or some stuffed peppers.
Come on!
Stuffed peppers. What are you craving?
You're asking, man.
I forgot again. What's your name?
Huh?
Shanshin. What do you want? Not Shanshin?
I said Shanshin. Ah, Shanshin.
I thought that's what his name was. Shanshin. That's how I understood it. Because I asked him what his name was, and he told me that. And I said, I asked Shanshin, and here you go. What are you doing? Are you farting?
Mom, you're farting. What the hell is this? Why are they moving like that? Why are they moving like that, Dad?
I can't see now because I'm not on the app.
Oh, no.
Vai.
I'm telling you, we can do it like this. It's your luck. Come on, give it. I'm telling you.
Oh, poor me, poor me. Oh, poor me, poor me. But you're just standing there doing nothing.
Yeah, I mean, you're the one staying clean.
Come on!
Come on, come on. Let's put them in the bag.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Come on, aren't you going to cook something?
Get out of here.
What's with all that huffing and puffing?
Get out of here!
Take your hand off. You're not taking me. Let go of it. Come on, let go. Come on, come on.
In my opinion, it needs to go in a bit harder.
If not, you'll beat him really well.
Come on, there are more, not just one. Come on, look, there are more of them.
Sit down so they can't come in here.
That's how I do it. Wow, how beautiful it is. But why don't we put it up as well and then it's done?
Yours, man.
Hey, how do you do these things right? Hey, I've been doing this for 25 years. Listen, man.
Behind the church.
Behind the church, the problem is that...
And what would that mean? Should we put another one in the middle or should we put them the other way around? One in the middle, but the other way around.
But that's not how you put it. The plate is buckling. The plate should be upright. Put it upright. Set it upright.
How much is this? Isn't it 1.5 by 1.5?
Yes, but you should never do that. Are you putting it at 4 meters?
But it's not 2 meters here, look. It's not 2 meters.
2 meters in length. Look.
Is it 2 meters?
Yes, on 1.5. Cornell, look at my calculation if you do that. At 4 meters, I have a net. Do you know how much more net you need at 4 meters? Are you crazy? How much? These alone already cost me 40 to 50 million. And I still have to add more at the bottom of this head.
You need a net below to do it.
It's kind of weak. My opinion is that it's kind of weak. It's weak.
Go ahead, just watch how you do it.
Yes.
But you know, just don't.
No!
I'm slamming. But what's wrong with you? You just bring dragons here. You bring dinosaurs here.
Yes, but I'll be careful. Hey, you guys, leave it alone. No, leave it, take it, put it further away if...
He arrived on a dinosaur and that's how he broke it?
This is how it should be. That's it, tied up. Here, Cornell, they tied together. Give me the straw and the thread. Cut it. You need that rope, the 3-strand one, and tie it.
And where is the 3-strand rope?
There was still some rope left there. Look, there it is, set in concrete. Cutters. Is it in concrete? Place it at the base during the celebration, not in that celebration. Take it, it's set in concrete.
But even the celebration, man, it was a little bit, no matter how much of a celebration it was.
It's in concrete. He said it with the salty one from there. There was a lot of rebar.
I found another 5 meters. Look how much is here. There was just as much more.
It's in concrete. Bring the cutters and hammer.
But where did you put the cutters?
Take it. It's stuck. Look how much rebar is in the concrete. Look, look, look. Take it here.
I'll show you if it doesn't hurt.
Take it. It's stuck.
Where's the stick? Give the rabbits a handful of grass and... Look, there's the cutters. Look at her. You said you came with him to the store.
At you! Come on, you have to see. Salstrabetti pickled.
Ay, la 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 la. Ay, la 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 la.
For balls, we put...
No.
Kids and people are watching us too. How are we filming?
Make it smaller. And you cut them.
Here.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Look, I even washed myself. But doesn't the shed have this kind of wire?
It doesn't. Competition. It's not good like that. This one is the best. Competition. Finish it so you can keep it in your hand. There's not much difference between you and a sprat.
Thank you for watching.
Auzi, este?
Da.
Adică și
Nicola, mai sus cu o stică.
struțul are gâtul lung, el n-are gâtul lung.
Cât ar fi lumea de rea, nimic nu o să ne oprească. Să ducem la
Thank you
sfârșit tot ce
for